What's up, guys? I got another exciting video for you today. In today's video, we are going to go through Coinbase NFTs beta. Now this is really cool because when you're in the main Coinbase, you can see down here it has NFT. You just simply click on it and it loads this screen. Now this is saying that it's going to drop on September 2nd, which it already has. So let's look at drop. Wow, this is really cool. This is interesting. You could mint it for 0.05 Ethereum. Available is 3,700 of 10,000. There's the price again. There's 3,800 owners. Total sales 311,000. So I did some math. 311,000 in total sales. They've already made $467,000 on 0.5 Ethereum. $75 a mint. Now the holder benefits is a private club membership, 100% IP rights, apparel drops with top brands, IRL limited edition drops, free access and to exclusive live concerts such as WTC Art Basel Miami concert, and exclusive music drop and much more. Interesting. Check these out. Wu Tigers. It's pretty interesting, right? That's kind of weird. What else do they got on here? Rarible. Last sold 100 Ethereum. 100 Ethereum. How much is that? $150,000 somebody paid for this picture. 23 Ethereum. Wow, that's very interesting. Bored bunny. That is a crazy number. That's cool. I mean, I feel like anyone could really just isn't this just like a picture? I mean, technically, if you wanted to do this, I'm not going to, right? But I'm just saying, it's a picture. I don't get it. I don't get it. 69 Ethereum, $103,000 for a picture. Shop. Some apes here. Bored Ape Club. That's something maybe I've heard of, right? So this is $5.86 to own apes. Is a cultural shift built on Ethereum. Apes. It's not even apes. I don't even know what that means. You could click on the actual picture and it'll take you to more items. Let's see. What if we did click on Bored Apes? It's I kind of know a little bit about them, but not really, right? Let's see. Yeah, that seems right. Yeah. 95. So this is the number one that I've seen. $142,000 for this one. Oh, that is nuts. Okay, what if we do lowest price? Oh, was that that was a lowest priced one? Wow, 142,000 is the lowest priced Bored Ape Yacht Club. Okay, so what's the highest priced? Wow, $1.2 million for this one right here. Wow, interesting. That's very interesting. Drops. View drops. Bill Murray. Bill Murray's dropping one September 9th, 3 days from now. Chicago Bulls. What happens if you click on it? 2 days. A great NFT collection tells a great story, and there's no better story than Bill Murray's story. Interesting. Very interesting. I don't know about this Coinbase NFT stuff. What are your thoughts on it? Wu-Tang Punks, Crypto Punks. What's the cheapest Crypto Punk? 25. Not even for sale. No previous sales. No previous sales. That's interesting. Highest. Well, that's weird. No volume on CryptoPunks. Okay. Moonbirds. That's another popular one, isn't it? Moonbirds. $67,000 for that pixelated owl. That's just nuts. That is nuts to me. No previous sales. That's very interesting. What do you guys think about NFTs? Would you invest in them? Are you invested in them? I personally am not sure it is a good investment, especially with the markets going down as much as they are. But that's for another video, so I'll see you in the next one. Watch this video next, or this one next.